we are at our Tijuana clinic. I'm here with
Stephen
and
Barbara.
Hey, where are you folks from?
We're from England.
Okay, that's way across the pond for those people that don't know. Okay, good. Now, it's super exciting because we just saw his post X-rays, and you did really good picking husbands, and you did good picking wives.
Thank you.
What'd you come over for? What were you looking for?
Well, I'd been suffering for a good few years with a painful hip, which probably was is arthritis.
Which turned into a limp?
Which I had a serious limp, yeah.
And I know we've got you adjusted, and you just had, because I do not recommend stem cells until you fix the problem. And once you restore the biomechanics, then I recommend, if it's appropriate, stem cells. And you actually got them.
Yep.
So what have you noticed in the first, because it's only been like a week, hasn't it?
Yeah, but almost immediate relief, presumably through the injection of the liquids itself, loosened the hip right up. And since then, it's improved day by day.
I got to tell you, okay, one of the things that I thought was beautiful and romantic, okay, and speaks from the soul, is when you said we can go walking together again. I just think that's so cool because it's true. I mean, you get life back.
Yeah.
And now, what made you choose coming to Mexico, coming from the UK, aside from the National Health Service being horrible?
Well, we'd seen lots of your videos, so that was the thing that convinced us to come. So it's our second visit here. And we've had a really nice experience all around with all the staff and with the place and everything.
Well, just because some of my staff's behind the camera, you don't need to say that. But isn't it cool? I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know what it's like.
Amazing. It is miracles do happen here. Yeah.
They really do. But for you guys to have faith in your body and to trust something, you've seen other people here from all around the world.
Yeah, Canada.
Oh, yeah, no, it's been great.
Yeah, and Carlos from Malaysia.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so what could you tell people? Because I mean, obviously there's censorship and ignorance in the medical field now. It's something beyond what I've ever seen. But you're not following that. You're following this inner guidance. So it's either your grandparents or you, or where did you get that strength inside to look for something other?
Well, I think we've always felt that we didn't need any medical interventions.
Well, only because we learned that from watching you as well.
Yes,
so
that's been a big influence.
And then you find other people as well, and then you realise that that the medicines are only what are they doing? They're not fixing the problem; they're just maintaining the disease and
Maintaining the disease. Yeah, that's like pain management. Heck no. Let's fix the problem. Yeah, well, I mean, if you know Scots, they typically don't have a general personality to go along with stuff they don't agree with. God bless you. What could you tell someone? Because I know if you've seen this, what?
Well, I was just going to say, for me, even though I also have problems, and there's been such an improvement for me, the way I walk and move, and I have neck pain, which I don't have anymore. So it's been, even though Steve had a bigger problem, it's been brilliant for both of us.
Okay, and we've talked about, and I don't want to reveal any like personal stuff, but when you see arthritis reversing, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And I warn people, if you see before and after x-rays and you see bone spurs start to go away and discs regenerate, that it's difficult or it's challenging when you talk to your friends when they go, oh, it's the arthritis. And you say, well, reverse it.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I've done it. Yeah.
What can you tell someone that has no idea? They think you have to have a white jacket in order to be authority. And hopefully you've learned from the last 4 years that's not a trustworthy religion.
Well, I've just met a really nice Mexican girl in the waiting room who said that she also had a life-changing experience here, and she was like very close to having a neck surgery. And she's just delighted with her treatment as well. So for anybody can really benefit from coming here and having this experience.
Well, I was determined to avoid a hip replacement, and I think
and And everybody's telling you to have one.
Well, yes.
What, you've got to hear this. What was the term the doctors use?
Whole bone on bone.
Yeah, I know. I've heard that thousands of times. I still haven't seen one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, God bless you all. I mean, okay, when you realize, I mean, wasn't it Scotland that kicks Rome's ass out of the UK?
Maybe.
Okay. Yeah. When they're determined, it's going to get done. You guys...
with help, though. You know, we can't go in a row. Yeah.
Why I am creating inflammation at the right spot. But you guys are so...
very much.
It's so beautiful in everything. God bless you. I mean, trust in your body. Your body is intelligent, gives symptoms for a reason. And every part of your body is alive. Okay, so degeneration can be reversed. You just got to correct the mechanics. And then the body reverses. So, I mean, it can regenerate. And particularly if you got somebody that's going to take a pre and post x-ray that shows the regeneration.
Yes, that's amazing.
Yeah, I'd like to see what.
Yeah.
Okay, God bless you both.
Thank you so
much. You guys are amazing.
Thank you.
I mean, this is fantastic. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Stay healthy, my friends.